Now this scarf is a redo of what I saw to be one of my eco-printing failures. It was so much of a failure that I didn't take a photograph of it in the beginning, which I kind of wish I had, because then you could see the difference to how it is now. I printed this with what we call an iron blanket. Now the iron blanket is a carrier cloth that holds iron, so rather than dipping your fabric straight into iron, you put it on the carrier cloth first and then you put that against your fabric. Normally you would dip your actual fabric into the iron, but in this case I put the iron on here to react with the target fabric. So let's have a look. Now the imprints you're seeing on here are on the carrier blanket, and I think they are absolutely lovely. Now this carrier blanket I've made intentionally to cut up to make little bags for my eco-printing for beginners workshop, which will be in a week's time. So although it looks absolutely lovely, I am going to cut it up. This is my target fabric. This is where I had the eco-printing fail. Now let's see, I haven't unveiled this yet, so let's see if I've saved it. So far so good. The last time I printed this, you could hardly see any imprints at all. The fabric had dried a really light blue grey colour, which was actually quite nice, but you couldn't see any imprints, and I'm pleased to say now you can. Of course, this is all going to change when it dries, but the fact that there is some definition now is very hopeful. Let's see the other side. I used eucalyptus on here again, and it has come out red. It's come out red again. It did need a longer steam for that. Almost a 3-hour steam to get the red to come out of the eucalyptus. The oak has printed beautifully. It's my first use of oak this season. And the ginkgo was dried, the ginkgo was left over from last season, as so was the eucalyptus. The eucalyptus was dried, and I just soaked it in a little bit of hot water for a few moments before using it. I've saved it. I'll show you what it's like when it's dried.